Okay, so hello students, so now we will discuss the what is meant by web pages, websites, then web server. So then next we will discuss what's the purpose of using, what are the tools we need to install to run the HTML code like that. Okay, so here we need to know about what is meant by website, or else first of all we need to know what is meant by web pages. Okay, so students, here web page is nothing but HTML documents. HTML document. The HTML documents is called as a web page. ఒక వెబ్ పేజ్ మీరు ఏం చూస్తున్నారో ఆ వెబ్ పేజ్ లో ఎంటైర్ వెబ్ పేజ్ లో హియర్ వి హ్యావ్ ఓన్లీ HTML డాక్యుమెంట్ అంతే ఉంటుంది. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ దిస్ ఇస్ వన్ వెబ్ పేజ్. సి దిస్ ఇస్ ద inside that you can inspect, right click, inspect. So this is the one entire thing. This is the HTML document is there. Body is there, head part is there. I will discuss, don't worry. So this is the HTML document. ఒక వెబ్ పేజ్ అంటేనే ఒక HTML డాక్యుమెంట్ అలాగా. సో సేమ్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ వాట్ ఈస్ మీన్ బై web server, like that. Web, you can do like this. Yeah, website. Okay, so the collection of websites, the collection of websites, actually the collection of web pages is called as a websites. Websites actually. So we can do like this. Yeah, so here we have only one web page. Like for example, about అనేది on web page. So home is a one web page, register page is a one web page. So these entire pages together called as a one website. Entire. So same as it is, what is meant by, if the interviewer asks like this, what is meant by web server? Okay, see, so collection of, actually the collection of websites. The collection of websites is called as a web server. So this is the one place where we can store all the websites. So if you want to search some websites inside the browser, so it will directly go to request to the server. That's a web server. So in that web server, so many websites is there. It will fetch the data from the web server, and then it will display it on the browser like that. So without websites, there is no web server is there actually. So that's why we use the web server. So for example, you can take this one. For example, I am taking is a one structure. See, this is the home. This is the one. So many web pages actually. Okay, so this is a home page, login page, register page. Then you can take about page. So here you can take another one. So here also home page is there. Then login page is there. About page is there, register page is there, about page is there, then contact page is there. So suppose this is the, we call as, this is the entire one website. We call as I'm taking as a Facebook website. This Facebook website, this is a website, na? Here you can write like this, website. The website nothing but the collection of web pages. See, this is the web pages. Like this you can write collection of web pages. So what is meant by web pages? This is a web page. So if you want to develop one web page, this is nothing but it contains completely one document, HTML document like this. Okay. So this is I am taking as you can take example for this is an Insta application. So Insta application, this is an Insta website is there. Insta website contains so many web pages like this. See, register page is there, about page is there, contact page is there. So many. If you want to statuses is there actually. Facebook profile is there like that. So you can do different pages is there actually. So in that. So not only two actually, Facebook is there, then Insta application is there. Together actually this entire thing we present inside that web server. So you can do like this. So web server nothing but collection of websites. There is only two websites. You can take n number of websites. There is a Facebook website is the Insta application is Insta website is there actually. So you are develop like for example your college is RVIT. You can take RVIT website is there something. So the RVIT website is present inside that web server. Now only we can access it directly. User can access there. So you can do like this websites, web servers. You can do like this actually. Further, I am going with. So what are the tools we can use to run the HTML code actually? So here you can do tools. Okay. So tools. First one is a first by default you can take Notepad. These are all the text editor tools. Notepad, then Edit Plus, Edit Plus. Then you can take VS Code. VS Code, guys. See, VS Code nothing but Visual Studio. These are all the text editor tools. Editor tools. So if you can write any programming languages inside that this one, but you can run in different way actually. So I prefer the VS Code. This is a Visual Studio. This is that one text editor tool. Inside that you can run any programming language, not only HTML, CSS, JavaScript. You can run programming languages like for example Java, Python, C, C++. Like that you can run. So there only you need to install the extensions. I will discuss it with, don't worry. So Visual Studio, VS Code. Okay. So installation steps. So you need to take installation steps. How to install? First you need to open the first step one. And Chrome, any browser, not only Chrome. You can open the Chrome, then enter open Chrome, then enter VS Code for Windows 10 like this. Not only Windows 10, as your wish. So you are operating based upon your requirement. You can install it. If you are taking as a Mac OS, you can install the Mac OS. So not VS Code, or else you can take Visual Studio for the VS Code download. Actually, you can take download option, download for Windows 10 like this. Step 1. So step 2 actually. Then click on that. Choose the your operating system. Just I will show the app directly. Don't take any points. See. VS Code download for Windows 10. Okay. The first link code.visualstudio.com is there. No? First link you can click it here. Okay, once you click it here. So if you are using Windows 10, you can choose this one, or else if you are using Ubuntu operating system, you can use this one, or else Opera means you can use this one, or else your system is Mac, your operating system is Mac OS means you can do this one. That's nothing but app. So this is the Windows 10. I am installing this one. Just click on that Windows. Yeah, by default it will installed. Wait until they will install. Okay, once installation done, directly you can click it here. Means I will already install here. Just once download is done, just open that folder. It will navigate into downloads in your system. Just click on the double tap here. Just click here, agree, next, then choose all these things. Okay, if you want desktop icon, means you can choose click it here or blue ticks, then click next, then click on the install option. Now go, then finish. Just wait a minute until, okay, then it will display, don't worry. Okay, installation good. Further, do one thing. Yeah, this is the installation tab. That's enough. So once installation done, means we will discuss it later. Actually, that's the thing. What are all the HTML contains? So minimize all these things. Just create one new folder. Right click. Here I'm taking as a front end. Enter into inside that folder. Just you can open this folder into VS Code. You can open in different ways. Just right click here in some way, show more options, click it here, open with VS Code. It will navigate into VS Code like this front end file will open here. So or else no sir, means the option is not there in the show more options. Here this option is not there, means you can do another way. Just click here, click it here on the nav bar, search, means enter cmd command, nothing but this file will open in the command prompt. Okay, see, front end, this file open in the command prompt. Just type a command code space dot, click it here, enter. No, okay, see, two ways here you can open like this. So or else another way also is there. Actually you can do a VS Code, search it here, VS Code here, enter, then open here. You can open folder, which one, front end, in the desktop front end is there. Now you can open this one, this file will open like this. Okay, so this is the VS Code UI. So do one thing, first you need to install the one extension called live server. Install the live server extension, click it here and then enter the live server here. I think network issue is there, so that's why it takes browsing. Payment coins, it takes some time, practice sometimes. To do one thing, I think it takes time, leave it. Okay, come to here. So if you want to create a new file, now you can click it here and creating a new file. If you want to create one new folder, this is the creating a folder once. So I need to create one folder, one file actually. So I'm giving as a file name is the index.html. Okay, this is a HTML is a mandatory. Then only it will consider as a, oh, this is the HTML file. Otherwise, it will not consider this is a HTML file like that. So many, not only HTML file, so many programming languages is there. For example, you are writing on Python code, na? So you need to give extension .py is there. So then only that file it contains that is a Python code like that. It will consider as a Python code. So if you want writing a Java code, that is a .java file. Or else the file is the PDF nothing but that is we need to extension that is having .pdf is there. Means audios videos is there, na? That the file having mp4 that is a video mp4, then nothing but audio nothing but mp3 is there. Actually without extensions will not consider the which file is like that. So that's why if you want to writing HTML code means we need to write .html, then only it will consider as the HTML file. So HTML is a mandatory, na? No, actually HTML is not a mandatory. You can give .html also. HTML is mandatory, but L is not a mandatory. So suppose I am taking as a home.html. So you can give .html also or .html also. It will consider as a HTML file as your wish. Okay. In older versions, the present version of HTML is the HTML5. Before older version HTML4, HTML3, then HTML1. So developers are giving HTML file like only HTML. That's enough. This is also HTML file. This is also HTML. Like see it. So this is icon for the HTML like that. So both are same. So here I need to display HTML boilerplate nothing but HTML structure. Just you need to enter shift 1. So if you want to display HTML structure, see shift 1 colon. See, this is the HTML boilerplate or HTML structure. We call as a HTML structure. While come to developer role, they are called as a HTML boilerplate. There are two ways. One is the this way. Another one is the HTML colon 5. This is another way. See, this is the HTML boilerplate. So by default, okay, done. See here in the line number 1, it considered as a doc type. Sir, what is mean by doc type? It represent version of HTML, guys. It represent which version. If you are using HTML5, na, it takes doc type. Otherwise, there is no doc type actually. HTML4, HTML3, then you need to give doc type. For giving HTML5 means it represents the HTML5 version of that HTML like this. And further, sir, what's the purpose of HTML? This is this entire things with the tags, guys. Like we need to discuss with later tags. What is meant by tags? Don't worry. So HTML is a one tag. This tag we call as a root element. Root nothing but supermost thing actually. So with this entire part, body, then head tags, body, meta tags, title tags, then some other things if you want to display on the web page, na, that all things are mentioned inside that head. Not head actually, that is a HTML. So that's why this is HTML is a root element. Okay, then so and below that is the line number 3. Actually here we have HT head is there actually. Then what's the purpose of using head tags, sir? It contains the complete meta information. Meta information do like this. Okay, see, so meta information nothing but if you want to display the title of the tag, or else if you want to link with the CSS, or else if you want to put some font stylings like that, it will contain links, all links, and together it will contain the head part. So this head part will not display on the browser out actually. So so further, what's the purpose of using meta? Nothing but here we use the browser information, guys. Browser information, nothing but we call as a browser information or browser data. Browser data means మన ఫైల్లో ఇప్పుడు టెక్స్ట్లో ఏం డేటా రాస్తున్నామో ఆ డేటా యావ ఫార్మేట్లో, క్యారెక్టర్స్ అనేది యావ ఫార్మేట్లో డేటా స్టోర్ కావాలి, ఆ పేజ్ అనేది ఎక్కడి నుంచి ఎక్కడ వరకు డిస్ప్లే కావాలి అనే దానికి మనకు మెటా డేటాలో రాస్తాం యాక్చువల్లీ. ది క్యార్సెట్ యూటీఎఫ్ నథింగ్ బట్ యూనిఫైడ్ ట్రాన్స్మిటర్ ఫార్మాట్ అన్నమాట. ప్రతి ఒక్క ఫైలు నీకు ఈ ఫార్మాట్ లో డేటా స్టోర్ అవుతా ఉంటుంది, నాట్ ఓన్లీ HTML ఫైల్. ఇది ఇచ్చినా ఇవ్వకున్నాను బై డిఫాల్ట్, దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆప్షనల్ యాక్చువల్లీ. నువ్వు ఇచ్చినా ఇవ్వకున్నాను వర్క్ అవుతుంది ఇది. బై డిఫాల్ట్ వచ్చేసి UTF-8 లోనే స్టోర్ అవుతా ఉంటుంది లైక్ దిస్. సపోజ్ సే ఇన్ కేస్ నువ్వు ఏదైనా ఒక ఫైల్ చూస్ చేస్తావు యాక్చువల్లీ. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ యాజ్ ఎ లైక్ దిస్, ఐఎమ్ క్రియేటింగ్ వన్ న్యూ ఫైల్, దట్ ఈస్ అ టెక్స్ట్ ఫైల్ అనుకోండి యాక్చువల్లీ. ఓకే, టెక్స్ట్ ఫైల్ డెమోని క్రియేట్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఓకే, ఇన్సైడ్ ద డెమో I need to save. I did not enter anything, but save as ఇస్తాను చూడండి. ఆ సేవ్ యాజ్ ఇస్తాను ఇట్లా ఫైల్ నేమ్, ఫైల్ యాజ్ టైప్, దాని టైప్ వచ్చేసి అడుగుతుంది యాక్చువల్లీ, టెక్స్ట్ ఫైల్ సంథింగ్ ఆన్ యాక్చువల్లీ. ఓకే, ఫర్దర్ సి బిఫోర్ గోయింగ్ టు సేవ్ ఇయర్ ఎన్కోడింగ్ UTF-8 ఈస్ దేర్ నా, దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఎంటర్. ఆ ఫైల్లో డెమో ఫైల్లో టెక్స్ట్ ఏముంటుందో అదంతా ఎన్కోడింగ్ ఫార్మేట్ లో డేటా స్టోర్ కావడానికి మనం ఇక్కడ చూస్ చేస్తాం UTF-8 అలాగా. సేమ్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నువ్వు ఇక్కడ వేర్ inside that HTML file లో నువ్వు ఏం డేటా స్టోర్ చేస్తున్నావో ఇండెక్స్ డాట్, వేర్ ఇస్ దట్, ఓకే డిలీట్, ఓకే లీవ్ ఇట్. ఇన్సైడ్ దట్ index.html ఫైల్ లో డేటా ఎట్లా స్టోర్ కావాలి, సేవ్ కావాలి అనే దానికి మనకి ఇది డిఫైన్ చేస్తాం, వేర్ ఇస్ దట్ మెటా డేటా. యా, సో నెక్స్ట్ వన్, దేర్ ఇస్ ద టైటిల్ ట్యాగ్ ఇస్ దేర్ యాక్చువల్లీ. ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ ద టైటిల్ ట్యాగ్. So then what's the purpose of using title tag? If you want, title tag contains the tab data, nothing but. ఇప్పుడు బ్రౌజర్లో ఏమైనా డిస్ప్లే అవుతాను, దానికి ప్రతి ఒక్క దానికి ఒక్కొక్క ట్యాబ్స్ ఉంటాయి, ఒక్కొక్క వెబ్ పేజెస్కి ఒక్కొక్క ట్యాబ్. సో ఆ ట్యాబ్ డేటా ఎలా డిస్ప్లే కావాలనే దానికి నువ్వు ఇలా డిఫైన్ చేసుకుంటావు ట్యాబ్ డేటా అని. క్లియర్ గైస్? జస్ట్ a minute, I will show this one. వన్స్ ఎక్స్టెన్షన్ ఇన్స్టాల్ అయింటే మీకు లైవ్ సర్వర్ ఇక్కడ చూపిస్తుంది యాక్చువల్లీ. దెన్ క్లిక్ ఆన్ దట్ ఇన్స్టాల్ బటన్ పైన క్లిక్ చేస్తేనే ఇన్స్టాల్ అవుతుంది. వన్స్ ఇన్స్టాల్ అవుతానట్లే ఇయర్ ఆప్షన్ దే గో లైవ్ ఇస్ దేర్ యాక్చువల్లీ. సో ప్రతి ఒక్క టైము ఇది వెబ్ బ్రౌజర్లో రన్ చేయకుండా లైక్ దిస్, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇలాగా కాపీ పాత్, ఇస్ దట్ బ్రౌజర్. సో ఇలా చేయొచ్చు యాక్చువల్లీ, బట్ ఇలా చేస్తే ఏమవుతుందంటే ఇది డాక్యుమెంట్ ఇస్ దేర్ యాక్చువల్లీ. సో ఇలా చేస్తే ఏమవుతుందంటే మనకి ఇన్ కేస్ ఏమైనా చేంజెస్ చేస్తుంటే మళ్ళీ రీలోడ్ చేయాలి నువ్వు పేజెస్ని. డోంట్ డూ లైక్ దట్, ఆటోమేటిక్ రీలోడ్ అవడానికి గో లైవ్ ఈజ్ దే. క్లిక్ ఆన్ దట్ గో లైవ్. ఓకే, సేమ్ గైస్, యాక్చువల్లీ ఐఎమ్ రిమూవింగ్ దిస్ వన్ మినిట్. ఓకే, still it's not displaying. Document is this, see, this is the tab data. This is the one tab actually. Here so many tabs is there, new tab actually. So this is the tab data. Instead of demo, I'm taking as a sample HTML file like this. You can do like this, see, sample HTML file. I'm removing. ఇక్కడ ఏం చేంజ్ అయింది, శాంపుల్ HTML ఫైల్ ఆటోమేటిక్గా లోడ్ మీన్స్ ఇక్కడ రీఫ్రెష్ ఇవ్వాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు, ఆటోమేటిక్ చేంజ్ అవుతుంది, ఎందుకంటే నేను లైవ్ సర్వర్ ఆన్ చేశాను అందుకు. క్లియర్? దిస్ ఇస్ ద HTML స్ట్రక్చర్ or else HTML boilerplate. Remember this thing actually. This body, what are the things you need to write inside the body? This one, only this one will displayed on the browser. Inside that browser, ఈ వెబ్ పేజ్ లో ఇక్కడ డిస్ప్లే అవుతుంది యాక్చువల్లీ. ఇక్కడ ఏం రాస్తారో బాడీ ఇన్సైడ్ అది మనకు డిస్ప్లే అవుతుంది. ఓకే డన్. సో ఫర్దర్, నాట్ జస్ట్ a minute actually. Okay, so further we need to know about the tags. What is mean by tag? Tags యాక్చువల్లీ అక్కడ చెప్పాను మీకు, డాక్ టైప్, HTML, దెన్ బాడీ ఇస్ దేర్, మెటా ఇస్ దేర్, హెడ్ ఇస్ దేర్, దట్ ఈస్ ఆల్ tags do. So for example, see, nothing but here I'm taking as tags are the predefined words. Tags are the predefined words which are enclosed with which are enclosed with opening and closing angular brackets. And take like this angular brackets, opening and closing angular brackets, that is called as a tags. For example, you can take head. Head is the predefined word which are enclosed with opening and closing angular bracket like this. So suppose I am taking as a body. Okay? Body also, this is opening tag is there, opening angular bracket is there, closing angular bracket is, this is a predefined word. So like this, each and everything, so this is a predefined word. Title is a predefined word which is enclosed with opening and closing. This is entire part we call as a tag, title tag. This is a meta tag, this is a head tag, and this is a body, what is that, HTML tag, this is a body tag, like that. So actually see, while looking to body, two bodies is there. Actually opening tag, this is the opening tag, means nothing but open is there. Actually close black slash is there, actually that is a closing tag actually. So while come to meta, meta only one tag is there, actually there is no closing tag. This is also opening tag, closing nothing but there should be, must be in slash, back slash unte danni closing tag antaru actually. So alaga manaki closing tag laga meta ki. So alaga tags lo two types of tags is there. Based upon that, there are two types of tags. Okay, types of tags. Okay, see first one, paired tags. Second one, unpaired tag. Paired tags, unpaired tags is there actually. Okay, so paired tags like a couples. For example, here we have, see one example I'm taking. Not example, you can take definition. Any HTML elements, nothing but I will explain that elements, don't worry. So any HTML elements having both opening and closing tags. Both opening and closing tags is called as a paired tag. That's we call it as a, you can take this one, is called as a paired tag. And take like this tag. Okay, so while come to unpaired tag, I will give example, don't worry. So here here you can take unpaired tags, like for example any HTML elements having only opening tag, not closing tag, actually only opening tag is called as a unpaired tag. You can do like this. So further, sir, here what are all the paired tags is there, unpaired tags is there, we will discuss it. See, so here we can list it here. First we need to discuss with paired tags. That is a definition. Here we need to take paired tags. In paired tags further divided into two types actually. So one is the first one. You can take first one is the heading tags. All heading tags is there. So next one is the formatting tags. Third one, other tags. Okay. See guys, so what is meant by heading tags? If you want to display some headings, if you want to write, if you want to show some headings inside that web page, into your web page, you need to take heading tags. Here we have so many heading tags actually. Here one h1 is the one heading tag. H1, this is the opening and closing tag. Both opening and closing tag is there. H1, then H2 is there. H1, H2, then H3. H3 also both opening and closing tag is there. Then H4. Oh ho ho, 1 minute guys. So here you can take this is the thing like this. So next H5. H5. So then H6 up to H4, H1 to H6 is there. That's enough. H7 is not there. So then what's the purpose of using? See here, based upon the number H1 to then H6, the size will be decreased. Font size and font opacity will be decreased. Actually, not opacity, that's the weight. Font weight will be decreased. I will give example, don't worry. So these are all the heading tags. And this is completely block level elements. We will discuss it with what is meant by block level element, don't worry. So I'll come to formatting tag now. See here we have formatting tag. One is the high nothing but italic tag. This is also paid tag because opening, this is the opening tag is there and closing tag. You can write guys, you can write like this also because this is a paid tag na. So you can write like this, opening tag, this is the closing tag. Oh, you can take closing tag like this, you can take. So this is the opening tag and this is the closing tag. So this opening tag we also call as a static tag. We can also call as a static tag. You can do one thing. Okay. So this is the pair tag. That's why. This is entire thing HTML element. HTML elements contains both opening tag. This is the opening tag, then closing tag. This is called as a pair tags. Unpair tags lo heading tags ilaga vasthayi actually. And first one vachese italic tag. I vachese italic. Next one emphasis. EM antaru actually. EM nothing but emphasis. Then if you want to display the text bold, use the bold B tag. This is also pair tag. Nothing but ivanni formatting tags ikkada below rasunnane ivanni. So this one, after that you can take, apart from that is a strong tag is there. Further here we have, what's the thing actually, subscript, sub, that's the closer sub, subscript, and superscript is there. We will discuss a superscript, means power of that one. Superscript, this is a base, this is a power. Next, if you want to have underline of that, ఒక వర్డ్కి ఏమైనా అండర్లైన్ కావాలంటే we need to do u, nothing but underline. So further mark, if you want to highlight the text, highlight చేయడానికి text ని mark tag యూజ్ చేస్తాం. So these are all the formatting tags guys. These are all the formatting tags. Then what is meant by other tags, we will discuss. See other tags, so many tags is there, not only like if you want to do paragraph, this is a p tag. Then division tag, nothing but div, containers మాదిరి వస్తాయి. So like for example you are taking as a span, like this is also similar to div, but this is a block level element, this is a inline level element. This is also span tag. Okay, see we will discuss it one by one. Okay, just that I am open. Oh, this is already open. Do one thing. Yeah. Okay. So inside that, first we need to discuss it with heading tags. I am taking as a heading tags. Just comment this one. Okay, heading tags. So first one, I am taking as H1. See, Next one is the heading tag. I am taking as inside the text. This is a opening tag is there, then closing tag is there. This is the tags because this is a predefined word na h1 అనేది heading 1 అనేది డిఫైన్ చేసే predefined word అది మనం యూటిలైజ్ చేసాం which are enclosed with opening and closing angular bracket అందుకే దాన్ని ట్యాగ్ అంటున్నాం. Okay, I'm taking as a heading 1 like this. See, so after that the ఎలాగా heading 1 ని డిస్ప్లే చేస్తాం. యాక్చువల్లీ ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ h2 తీసుకుంటున్నాను. ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ as a here heading 2. See, so what's the differences between h1 to h2 na? See, the font size will be decreased. ఇక్కడ చూడు యాక్చువల్లీ h1 is the more font size and font width అనేది font weight అనేది ఎక్కువ ఉంది ఇక్కడ. బోల్డ్ లేకపోతే ఫాంట్ సైజ్ ఇవంతా ఎక్కువ ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ వైల్ కంపేర్ టు h2 ఇలాగా. సేమ్ ఇప్పుడు ఏమన్నా నంబర్ హైయెస్ట్ చేసుకుంటా పోదాం మీన్స్ h2 h3 ఇస్తున్నా. heading 3 the font size will be decreased. See, still I'm taking as h4 heading 4, not heading 3. You can do heading 4. See, still the values means the heading size will be decreased. Keep on number will be increased. See, up to only 6 is there. Actually there is no h7 heading 6 is there. See guys, you can do like this means the size of the text will be decreased, keep on decreasing like this. Here this is the heading tags. While come to formatting tags, we will discuss it here. Formatting, just comment this one. This is the comment in HTML. You can do like this. This is the comments. Actually you can remove this one. You can keep it here. Oh, you can one thing add it here. See, this is a commenting the text. This will not display on the browser. Okay, so here I'm taking as a one paragraph tag. P, nothing but paragraph. So inside paragraph I am taking one duplicate text, nothing but lorem. Like for example, see, this is a lorem provides the duplicate text in HTML. See, this is the entire paragraph. This is a, see, some duplicate text like this ఇలా డిస్ప్లే అవుతుంది మీకు లోరం అని ఇచ్చేస్తే యాక్చువల్లీ. సో ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేద్దాం, ఫార్మాటింగ్ ట్యాగ్స్ ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయో అవన్నీ డిస్ప్లే. ఇప్పుడు లోరం ఏముందో వర్డ్ ని నేను బోల్డ్ చేయాలి. ఫస్ట్ వన్ బి అని ఇచ్చేసి ఇన్సైడ్ దట్ బి యూ కెన్ డూ లైక్ దిస్. లోరం ఇస్ అ బోల్డ్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో పేర్ ట్యాగ్. సి, ఓపెనింగ్ ట్యాగ్ ఇస్ దేర్ అండ్ క్లోజింగ్ ట్యాగ్ ఇస్ దేర్. అంటే పేర్ ట్యాగ్స్ లోనే ఫర్దర్ డివైడెడ్ ఇంటూ 3 types. వన్ ఇస్ ద హెడ్డింగ్ ట్యాగ్స్, formatting tags, other tags చూపిస్తాను, we will discuss. Okay, so this is the bold, nothing but b tag, nothing but bold. And dollar, see, I am taking as emphasis. See guys, dollar కి emphasis అని ఇస్తున్నా. ఏమొస్తుంది అక్కడ, ఇటాలిక్ లో వస్తుంది. దెన్ సార్ వాట్స్ ద పర్పస్ ఆఫ్ యూజింగ్ అమిట్ అనేసి, అమిట్ ఐ ట్యాగ్ ఇస్తాను చూడు. I tag, amit and dollar both are in italic. Then what's the purpose of, what's the differences between them, sir? Actually there is no difference. There are both functionalities same actually. Say guys, this italic and emphasis both are in italic word. Italic, the text will be, text is in italic actually. So then this emphasis is the semantic tag. This emphasis is introduced in the HTML5 లో introduce చేస్తారు. Before that there is no emphasis, only italic tag is there actually. Same as it is, ఇవి రెండు అంతే actually. Which one? Bold and strong. Bold to strong both are in bold కి యూజ్ చేస్తారు actually. Bold text, bold text. Okay, text bold కి యూజ్ చేస్తారు actually. దెన్ సార్ బోత్ ఎందుకు యూజ్ చేస్తాం, రెండు ఎందుకు యూజ్ చేయాలి, ఒకటే యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు కదా. సో బిఫోర్ HTML 1 2 3 4 లో బోల్డ్ ఉంటుంది యాక్చువల్లీ, బి ట్యాగ్ ఉంటుంది. ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ స్ట్రాంగ్ అనేది సిమాంటిక్ ట్యాగ్ లో యాడ్ చేస్తారు. HTML5 లో సిమాంటిక్, ట్యాగ్స్ లో యాడ్ చేస్తారు మీకు ఇలాగా. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద థింగ్స్. సో ఎక్కడ స్ట్రాంగ్ యాక్చువల్లీ బోల్డ్ ఈజ్ కంప్లీటెడ్, స్ట్రాంగ్ ఇస్తాను చూడు. యాక్చువల్లీ యూ కెన్ డూ లైక్ దిస్. ఈ వర్డ్ ని కట్ చేసుకొని ఐఎమ్ డూయింగ్ స్ట్రాంగ్, take a strong tag, inside that strong paste it here. See, this is also bold, this strong also bold, and B also bold, the text will be bold, and the same ఉంటాయి. There is no functionality is the same, that's not damage. Clear guys? So further here we have mark. So further I am taking as a markup tag, mark. See, when we use the mark na, the text will be highlighted, means background color is the yellow. Okay, this is the highlighted thing. Okay, further you can use the underline also. After that ikkade underline essentially bold, further you nothing but underline. See, the text will be underlined here. So ila no underline kani use cheyochu as your wish, you can do. Okay, so these are all the things. Okay, then further here we have two things. One is the superscript and subscript. For example, see sir, if you want to water formula, the in my web browser, the formula of the water, water formula like this, you can do water formula. Let's say H2O na, yeah, you can do like this, H2O. Okay, see, but the value, the text will be displayed on the same line like this. Means 2 అనేది ఎక్కడ డిస్ప్లే కావాలి, బేస్ లో డిస్ప్లే కావాలి నీకు. సో దట్స్ వై వి యూజ్ ది వన్ థింగ్ కాల్డ్ సూపర్ సబ్స్క్రిప్ట్, sub nothing but base. See guys, the value should be displayed on like this. So you can keep this entire thing in H1, the text size will be increased actually. See, the formula of H1 is, the formula of H1 is H2. The formula of, no sorry, water is H2O. You can do like this. See, yeah. So this is the subscript. So if you want to display, I am taking as a 1 H2. Inside that H2 10 power 2, I need to display 10 power 2 na. You can do like this. For example, I am taking 10 power 2. See, while displaying 10 power 2, it will not working. It will show 1 or 2 like that. So what's happening, you need to take a superscript now. So take a 2 here. See, inside that superscript you need to display like this. This is also formatting tag, both opening and closing tag is there, so that's why this is also paired tag. So ilaga manaki superscript subscript anedi use chestam, based upon our requirement we can do. Okay, so this is the other tags and formatting tag guys. Further, while come to other tags is there na, other tags, there is so many other tags is there actually. You can do 1 minute, you can list it here. First you can list it here. First one, that's a para tag, nothing paragraph. Paragraph, you can do like this. Further, div tag is there, nothing but division. Paragraph tag, nothing but that's a P, like this, you can do like this. So div nothing but division tag is a like this, containers la vasta actually. So further here we have so many tags, not only ilaga kaadu actually. That's a span tag actually. Span tag enduku kavalante, like this is also similar to div, but this is a inline level element ilaga. Okay, so many things is there actually. These are all the other tags. So here I'm taking Further I need to do what is the semantic tags. Okay, see, ఈ semantic tags లో further we have so many things, guys. We will discuss later, don't worry. That's a nav bar. If you in case ఏమైనా nav కావాలంటే nav is there, photo, then header is there. ఇవి semantic tags future లో చూద్దాం. No, it's not important actually. Header is there, main, session, figure, so many things is there. Not only header, footer, main, session, article. You can do 1 minute. Okay, you can do article. So many things. Aside is there. Okay, leave it. So these are all the other tags, not only this. So many tags is actually. So first we need to discuss with paragraph. Actually, paragraph is already done, I think. So if you want to display on paragraph in your website, now we use the p tag. Then user will understand, oh, this is the paragraph, like that. So see, I'm taking as a lorem. I need to display lorem, that's the 4 times actually. It means 3 times actually. See, this is shortcut key. You can see. This is the entire paragraph. Now, this is a duplicate text will generate 3 times. Int multiply by 3, nothing but will display 3 times like this. Okay, this is the entire thing paragraph. Then what's the purpose of using division tag, sir? See, here you can take div tag like this. Div nothing but divisions. Okay, one div contains multiple paragraphs like this. If I'm taking as a one paragraph. Okay, see guys, this is a one div. So after that, here I'm taking as another paragraph. Okay, you can do like this. Yeah, these are all the formatting tags, not other tags actually. In that tag tags, these are all the things. Okay, done. These are all the paid tags. We will discuss it later. There is unpaid tax. Now we will discuss unpaid tax actually. So yeah, next one, getting, that is unpaid tax. Second one, unpaid tax we also call as a self-closing tax. Self-closing tax. So definition is already done, I think. Actually, you need to go to examples actually. The any HTML elements having only opening tag, there is no closing tags. By default, that tag will be closed. So that's why this is called as a self-closing tag. You can point, list out that points, what are all things here we have. So first one, break tag. So if you, there is some paragraph is there, na? At the line number 2, we need to break something. So means the text will be displayed on the next line. If you use the break, the text will be displayed on the next line, like that. You can the break tag. So next HR nothing but horizontal. This is a break tag. This is horizontal tag. Horizontal means horizontal line. It will display the horizontal. You can do means you can like one. You can do like this. Horizontal line, you can do like this, horizontal line. So further, image tag, image also, that is the only opening tag is there. Closing tag is not, like for example here h1 is there, na? See, mark, these are the opening and closing is there actually. So while come to image, na, there is no close tag actually, there is no. So further, so many things is there actually. You can take input tag. Input also is something. Next, which is a meta also. Opening tag is there, closing tag is not there. There's a you can take etc. So these are all the unpaired tag, guys. So we will discuss with example actually. See, so this is the, okay, do one thing. I am taking as a one heading unpaired tag. Okay, comment this one. Okay, I am taking as one paragraph like this. Take one paragraph first. Okay, inside the paragraph I am taking as one text, duplicate text. Okay, so in that duplicate text, where is that one? This is the last paragraph and the line number equate na. So I need to break, this value should be displayed on the next line, no need to continue. So where is that one text? See, come to here, you need to apply break. Okay, break is the only one opening tag is there, not close back. When we use the break tag, see, the line will be break, means entire text will be displayed on the next line. Clear? I am displaying, I am taking as one more br tag, nothing but break tag. See what happened, guys? See, the entire line means entire text, further text will, it case some space here because two more breaks is there na. This break will move the entire text into next line. This break will break this entire line to next line, like that. So many breaks as your wish. So this is the only opening and closing, like only unpaired tag, because only opening tag is there, closing tag is there. After that I am taking is a HR, nothing but horizontal line. See, I am taking HR line. See, the value should be, means HR line will be displayed here, horizontal line. You can do like this, for example, yeah, I am taking as a one heading tag. I am taking as a one heading tag like this. For example, I am taking as a h3 and unpaired tags. You can do like this. Okay, this is the unpaired tags here. Okay, here displaying like this unpaired text. On the below next line, I need to display horizontal line. See, guys, okay, you can do h2 here also, h2. Okay, you can do like this. If you want to display entire horizontal line, we use the HR tag. Here, where is that HR? This is the HR tag. This HR tag also unpaired tag you can do. Okay, these are all about paid and unpaid tags. So there is some more things, image input and meta is already done. Image input we will discuss later, actually in future in the form we need to discuss. Okay, done. Okay, thank you.